Imagine one tired cook in a giant kitchen trying to make soup, bread, and cake all by himself. He stirs, then waits, then bakes, then waits again. The food comes out so slowly. What if he had help? So here is the big idea. A program is like that kitchen, and a thread is one worker inside it. Each worker follows its own little list of steps. A program can have one worker, or many workers, all living inside the same busy kitchen together. Now watch our single worker closely. He can only hold one tool at a time. Chop, then stir, then taste. Step after step after step. He is fast, but the line of jobs keeps growing while everyone else just stands around waiting their turn. But what if we hire more workers? Now 3 cooks stand side by side inside the same kitchen. One makes soup, one bakes bread, one frosts the cake. They all work at the very same moment. Suddenly the whole feast comes together much faster. Here is something special. All these workers share the same kitchen. The same fridge, the same counter, the same ingredients. That sharing makes them powerful because they can pass things to each other instantly. But sharing one space can also cause some very tricky problems. So what goes wrong? Imagine 2 cooks reach for the last egg at the exact same instant. They bump hands and the egg cracks on the floor. When workers touch the same thing at the same time without rules, the result can get messy and wrong. To fix the mess, the kitchen uses a lock. Think of a small key for the fridge. Only the worker holding the key may open it. Everyone else waits politely outside. When that worker finishes, he hands the key over and the next one goes in. Now the workers take turns nicely. One opens the fridge, grabs the egg, closes it, then passes the key. No more bumping, no more broken eggs. The kitchen stays fast because everyone is still busy, and it stays safe because they share with care. But waiting has a danger too. Suppose one cook holds the spoon and wants the pot, while another holds the pot and wants the spoon. Each refuses to let go until he gets the other. Now both are frozen forever. That frozen jam is called a deadlock. How do we unfreeze them? With a simple rule everyone agrees on. For example, always pick up the spoon before the pot. When all workers follow the same order, the loop can never form, and the kitchen keeps flowing smoothly without ever getting stuck again. So who keeps order in the kitchen? A manager called the scheduler. The computer usually has only a few real burners, so the manager quickly switches workers on and off them. It happens so fast that it looks like everyone is cooking all at once. There are really 2 tricks here. With one burner, the manager switches workers super fast, so it feels like teamwork. With many burners, workers truly cook side by side at the same instant. More burners means more real workers running together, and even more speed for big feasts. Now look around. Your game uses one thread to draw the screen while another listens for your taps. A video app downloads with one worker and plays with another. Threads quietly let your phone do many jobs at once without ever making you wait. So here is why this is wonderful. Threads turn one slow worker into a smooth team. They keep apps responsive, finish big jobs faster, and make sharing possible, as long as we add locks and clear rules. Tiny workers, working together, power almost everything you touch. Let us bring it all back. A program is a kitchen, and threads are workers cooking at once. Sharing makes them strong, but locks and rules keep them safe from crashes and deadlocks. A scheduler hands out the burners. Together, these tiny workers make your devices feel fast and alive.